Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the recent volatility in USD/INR and understand how geopolitical tensions, rising crude oil prices, and RBI policy expectation are influencing the rupee market. The USD/INR has remained under strong upward pressure in recent sessions as global uncertainty continued to rise. The ongoing geopolitical tension in West Asia have pushed energy prices higher, increasing concerns around imported inflation for India. At the same time, foreign capital outflows and changing interest rate expectations have weakened sentiment toward the rupee. However, India's domestic economy still shows resilience. High-frequency indicators and strong retail asset growth suggest that internal demand remains stable. Despite this, the Finance Ministry has highlighted the elevated crude oil prices are weighing on the near-term growth and external balance, keeping the outlook mixed for the rupee. Another key factor is inflation. Rising energy prices could delay the RBI's inflation target and may complicate future monetary policy decisions if higher logistic and transportation costs begin to affect the core inflation. Interestingly, the RBI does not appear overly concerned about the rupee current valuation. The central bank believes the rupee remains fundamentally undervalued, and with nearly $700 billion in forex reserve, it retains strong flexibility to manage excess market volatility. From the technical perspective, USD/INR recently formed 3 consecutive red candles before witnessing rebound with a green candle today. This indicates buying interest emerging near lower levels. While fundamentals still support some recovery in the rupee, the broader uptrend in USD/INR remains intact for now. The next trading session will be important. Another green candle could confirm continuation of the bullish trend with the all-time high of 96.96 acting as a major resistance level. On the downside, if the pair slip below 95, further rupee recovery may unfold, with the next key support seen near 94.22, aligned with the 50-day moving average. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.